KingPin review. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and today I'm going to be reviewing KingPin. Now, this is not the hilarious 90s movie with the Farrelly brothers and Woody Harrelson, the bowling movie. No. This is the new software that is going to be launched on November 7th by my good friends Max Gerstenmaier, Bill Ang, AJ Yakubia, and Jake Galbraith. Guys, this is, in a nutshell, a software that harnesses the power of Pinterest, where you can find 450 million users who are eager buyers looking to spend money, and they have a system that is going to show you how to do this, guys. So we're going to get into this. I'm going to get into my bonuses, their bonuses, and just how KingPin can help you. So I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, welcome back. So as I said, this is a KingPin review. Now unfortunately, they're not releasing the members area access. It is a software, and there is just some complications when they give the software away to members. But we're going to look in, first of all, my sales page, and we're going to talk more about what KingPin is and how it can help you. So let's first go to my sales page here, guys. This is rather my bonus page, Kieran's amazing bonus bundle. This is going to stay up until Wednesday, November 10th. So you have plenty of time, you guys. And KingPin says we found the easiest way to unlock unlimited traffic for any link across the entire internet. Build your business with no experience, no tech skills, and no extra costs. So guys, Bill, Jake, AJ, and Max, they have done some amazing products before. Recently, Jake and Max teamed up with Dan Can and Phil Johansson with Orb. Orb is right here. If I just take you, this is my review of Orb. I will put this in the card up at the top, also in the closing end screen. It is a software that delivers awesome on-call automatic pilot to Instagram. And also Bill and his team from Team Alpha, they created TweetX, which of course is all about Twitter. Similar, autopilot, a software that does it on autopilot. And they've also done it, guys, Team Alpha. This is my review. I'll put all of these in the end screen so you can get an idea of what these are and how KingPin is also going to do it, but for Pinterest. This is all about LinkedIn profits, guys, so LinkedIn, of course. So these guys know what they're doing. They've got great products in the past. That is why I am confident that KingPin is going to be no different, guys. So taps into any niche. One simple trick taps into unlimited free buyer traffic and improves your conversions by over 300%. And guys, we've got loads of time before this goes live. I wanted to get this out early just so you can get an idea and get ready, because this goes live on a Sunday. So you might be into your your weekend flow, but I want to get this just to remind you beforehand how you can do this. And it's going to be open for 4 days, guys. So if you don't get it on the Sunday, you can wait till the Monday or the Tuesday and still get it. But what is KingPin about? So access the powerful KingPin software and training modules, guys. So they're going to just guide you step by step along the way. And you're going to beat the Pinterest algorithms, like I said. So it's going to find the traffic for you guys. Also, it comes with a page builder, guys. So you don't have to worry about that, and there's no expensive monthly fees. It is just a one-time fee. So don't worry about monthly fees. They've got you covered, okay? And you can get access to a pool of over 3.8 billion new leads, unique pandemic-proof technology that can make your business easier and maintain and scale, and limitless free traffic, guys. As you know, we want to try and harness the power of free traffic, and Pinterest, of course, is one of those ways that we can do that. And over-the-shoulder training, guys. So before we get into the price and the upsells, how am I also going to complement this great product of KingPin with my bonuses? let's go check it out right now. And we'll go into the summary of some of the key points about KingPin in a minute, guys. So my first bonus, this is how you can make money daily, guys. I spend a lot of money learning this stuff, and I've laid it out in step-by-step detail for you. This cost me about $1,500 to get this stuff, guys, but I'm giving it away to you for free, if just as a way of saying thank you for using my link. It shows you everything that an affiliate marketer, well, some of the skills that you must have. And this is, I said, very laid out step by step. Doesn't matter what your experience is, you will understand and then be able to implement it right away. Second one, guys, YouTube. So we talk about free traffic. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, followed by its owner, Google, which is the biggest. So if you can get traffic by YouTube, it's also free. This shows you 3 ways to explode your YouTube view rate. I use these every time I upload a video, and I've seen tremendous growth in my view rates, my subscribers, and I know you will too, guys. It's super easy, but these are kind of unknown secrets, if you would, okay? Next one, guys, you can build your email and profit at the same time. So this is a 2-for-1 system that I'm gonna give you as another bonus. You can build your email list, and of course, we say the money is in the list, right? So the more emails you can get, the better. But while you're doing that, you can also make money with the second feature of this 2-for-1 system, guys. So this is really great, especially if you're new and you're trying to build that email list. And guys, how to convert your phone to your cash machine. Of course, we carry our phone everywhere. It is ubiquitous. Some people, you might even say, are a little bit addicted to the phone, but this can help you make money with your phone, guys. So it doesn't matter where you are. You could be out on the beach, out on the bus, commuting, if you're on the train, the subway, whatever it might be, and you just want to use it to make some money, guys. This is how you can do that. All right. Next one, guys, how to get tons of traffic on Instagram. This is a Chrome extension, guys, and this taps into the Instagram algorithms and also helps you really unlock a lot of traffic, and I know it will help you as well. And guys, ClickBank. So there are some really high-end items on ClickBank, and if you're in affiliate marketing, the amount of effort it takes to get a $10 sale as opposed to like a $500 sale, the effort is essentially the same. So if you can use ClickBank, where a lot of these higher end items are, you can do very well with your commission. So this is going to show you step by step all kinds of information that you will need to learn about ClickBank to be able to crush it, okay? And guys, there's also going to be vendor bonuses that we're going to look at in a minute. So like I said, you got about 7 days as I'm doing this before it ends, okay? Here I am, and also guys, you can learn more about me on KieronGHogg.com, but let's go to the sales page and see what these bonuses are now. Let me just go up here. We'll go into the prices after that. Okay guys, so KingPin. Now, as you can see, there is a 25% discount. So the front end originally is $17, but if you act now, you will get it for 25% off, only $13, guys. Okay, fantastic deal. And we know this, build your business with no experience, no tech skills, and no extra costs. This is a hilarious VSL that you should watch on your own time. And guys, we have all these points in my description down with my bonus page that is going to be in my description down below. I'm going to put that in there. All of this information, you can access it down there as well. Also with my bonuses. Yeah. Oops. Okay. This is my bonus. This is where you're going to get the bonuses, how you receive them. Okay. So let me just show you actually, guys. Any of these red buttons here, you click on them. It's going to take you over to the sales page, which is going to look like this. And any of these yellow buttons here, you click on those and it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Now, if you click on the blue button here, the green button is to secure your purchase. The blue buttons are to secure your bonuses. So that is where you will receive this page here, and that is how you're going to get all of my bonuses. All right, so let's get back there, guys. So there is going to be some proof here. Today, $350.68. Last 7 days, almost $2,900, guys. And it just keeps going. We've got some testimonials here. We've got some of the setup is very easy. You click the button below, log in, and press publish. So it's very, very simple. And here are some fees that similar type of softwares charge, but you're only going to get it for the one-time fee, guys. So these $199, $59 a month, $52, etc., etc. You guys can see this on your own time. Let me take you to the bonuses. Okay, so making money on Fiverr is the first bonus. Also, guys, I'm going to put up in the corner, I have a couple of videos about how to make some money on Fiverr as well. You can check those out, and I will put them in the end screen as well, okay? So this exclusive Fiverr training is globally renowned to be the best method to make a great income online. So $25,000 case studies, including training and unique methods that allow you to make some big bucks on Fiverr. Bonus 2, guys, is the traffic on tap. So you could have the best traffic, the best product, and if you don't have the eyeballs on it, then nobody's going to know, and obviously if nobody knows, you're not going to get any sales. So this is going to show you how to get extra traffic. I've also got you covered with traffic too, guys. And optimize your conversions. So when marketing online, it is super important to look after the people who buy from you. That is the way to get the trust. So you want to be getting the know, the like, and the trust. Okay, those 3 things are very important. This is going to help you get some of that as well. Bonus number 4, guys, making money online today. 7 different methods to do that. And it works fast. If you want to quit your job, then this is going to give you some of the skills for that, guys. All right, so you're getting a lot of value. You're getting almost $3,600. With my bonuses, you're getting at least $2,000 more on that, so you're getting almost $6,000 in bonuses with my links, guys. And you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. And you can look at some of this stuff on your own time. Here they are. We've got Max, AJ, Bill, and Jake. These are all friends of mine. Bill Ang is actually my mentor, and these guys are all my friends. So I trust them. I recommend this. They haven't let me down. They haven't let their audience and customers down, and I don't think they're going to today as well, guys. All right, guys. So that is right here again. You're going to click that, and you're only going to get it for $13. So let's check out the price now. Hey guys, okay, now let's check out the price and the upsells of KingPin. So as you know, the front end is $17, but you will get that 25% discount with that drop down menu. So you will only be buying it for $13, and it is a one-time fee, and you get all of that information. You get the powerful KingPin software and training modules. You get the algorithm, of course, and you also get the page builder, and you get all of my bonuses and their bonuses as well for only $13, guys. Now, the upsell number 1 is the Pro plus the advanced training. So you're going to basically take the high-speed rail to your profits, okay? So you're going to really minimize and go after a straight line to your profits. You're going to save time, and also, guys, there's no limitations as well, okay? So that is a potential upsell. Now let's check out the bonus giveaway bundle. So you'll maximize your sales and commissions by grabbing the bonus giveaway bundle. Comes with 30 high quality bonuses for you to give away and start your 5 times your sales. So this is pretty good. Bonuses, as you know, in the affiliate industry, if you have some bonuses, it really can let your audience, you can grow your audience, which one can also give you more sales as well. So that's why I give you bonuses. That's why the vendors are giving you bonuses. So if you don't have any, this is a viable option for you. But I like this one, guys. I like bonus upsell number 2, in fact. Upsell number 3, in fact, is the complete done-for-you setup. The guaranteed pre-approved products high converting Warrior Plus products, email sequence done for you, the Facebook templates, training, solo ads, follow up, plus premium vendors, the 20 done for you Commission Gorilla bonus pages. So a bonus page using Commission Gorilla does take some time. Trust me on that. I do many of them, and if you get 20 for free, that saves you a ton of time. So I really like this upsell number 3. So far, this one I think is got the most value in my opinion. Traffic on tap number 4. So want to get thousands of visitors to your website and pages without the hard work. Put your pixels on their future sales pages and you can actually siphon their traffic. Okay, and launch a product. So get the reseller rights to KingPin, and you can earn 100% on the entire funnel, guys. So if you like this product, if you decide to buy the front end and you think it's working, and then you can actually get the license rights, and then you can sell all of this yourself. So you could be making all of these commissions for yourself. Okay, and guys, finally, upsell number 6 is launch a product. So see how the gurus make so much money by launching their own product for $1,000 paydays over and over. This training will show you exactly how to do that. So if you don't want to just be a consumer, if you want to be a producer, then these guys have made some amazing products and they're going to help you learn how they do it as well. So guys, to summarize, it works perfectly in any niche, anytime, in any business. All-in-one solution, so you're not going to need an autoresponder, hosting, or monthly fees. Newbie friendly with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, you're going to get all of my bonuses, guys. These are really helpful. Trust me, I've used these. They have helped me out, gain traffic, get some sales, and just guide me to what affiliate marketing is, and really got my skills and my experience much higher. And you're going to get all the vendor bonuses as well, guys. You've still got plenty of time. So this is my website here. You can learn more about me at KieronGHogg.com. You can find out why I do these videos, how I do these videos. There's also other material on there about making money online. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can leave a comment down below. And please like, subscribe, and comment, and of course hit that bell so you're always going to be notified about my new videos that I make all the time to help you in the affiliate marketing industry, hopefully give you some value and help you learn about how to make money online. So once again, you guys, this is Kieron Hogg. KingPin goes live November 7th and at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and you're going to get all those bonuses if you click on those red links. So guys, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.